We have the management of National Fertilizers with us. The margins have impressed this. Rather, we have the management of Teamlease. Apologies. In terms of the results, it's been a very steady quarter on pretty much all parameters. We have Mr. Ashok Reddy, who's the managing director and co-founder at Teamlease, now joining in. And congratulations on a very strong growth. Now, the bottom line has seen a tax benefit of around 20 crores, which has helped double the PBT. Are there any deferred tax assets that will be booked over FY 18-19?
So we have a little bit of a deferred tax credit that will come in 18 on account of the acquisitions that we have done and the integration thereon, but that impact is about 2.5-3 crores. So I think the 80 JJAA implication was a huge positive for us on the tax front. But even if we discount that element of the tax break, I think the steady growth and margin improvement focus has enabled an improvement in the bottom line. So I think independent of the 20 crore benefit that we got on the tax front, we still posted about a 80% plus improvement on the PAT on a year-on-year basis.
And give us a sense, on the EBITDA margins, do you see them continuing to improve?
So our belief is that, and we had stated this earlier too, that we do have the economies of scale optionality that kicks in, and we've now grown to about 150,000 employees on rolls, and our belief is that the dispersed nature of our business across industries and companies will enable us to continue that element of a growth, and our costs are not going to be linear. We've invested very heavily in technology, processes, and bringing in people over a period of time, and our belief is that that will enable us to improve the margins as we go forward.
Okay, and your margins are seeing continuous and gradual improvement as the mix evolves. How do you see them over the next 12 months? And just tell me what is going to help to lead this. Is there any inorganic growth and any conscious strategy planned out?
So I think in general staffing, where we have the organic growth of business, overall we've been growing at about 20% plus, and I think market opportunity should sustain that. We don't have really pricing power in that segment of the market, but we have now added the 3 acquisitions last year on the IT staffing front, which enables us to be a little margin play. The volumes are lower, but I think the margins are substantially higher. So we will continue to look for acquisitions which are bottom line accretive. We will continue to see whether we can get into other industry verticals that are higher margin plays, and we'll continue to focus on the element of the organic growth in the general staffing side. I think a combination of all of that should sustain the element of the top line growth, margin improvement, and capital frugality.
We understand that GST and vendor consolidation can drive market share gains. Will it take at least a year to start reflecting in your numbers, and what do you expect? I mean, have you gone to the drawing board and worked out a broad plan on how you would prepare yourself?
So we are prepared. I think from a back-end perspective of compliance and the various other variables, we are completely prepared. I think we'll have to see how the market reacts to the element of GST, and we do sincerely believe that the GST implementation will drive the formalization in a big way. So yes, it's not going to be an overnight flipping the switch on kind of situation, but we do believe it will be a gentle sunrise that will benefit the formal sector, and we are well positioned to take advantage of that.
Okay, and what consolidated growth are you aiming for FY 18?
Historical trends, I believe, are a reflection of what the future can be. So I think sustained growth, market opportunity is not a challenge. The diversified nature of our presence across industries and companies and pan-India presence enables us to continue to push for a growth consistent with the past.
Okay, let you go on that note. Thanks for joining in, and congratulations yet again on a pretty strong quarter. Wish you all the very best going forward.
Thank you.
Tell you what, we'll slip into a quick break.